Hello everyone. Uh, Today we are making a video for YouTube users to help the community how to replace the Mazda Demio brake light or tail light. So I checked actually on the YouTube. I didn't find any, so I thought like just to help community, I should load the video so other people uh, can see the instructions, and it might help community to replace the light. It's quite simple, a little bit complicated. With me Ryan today, he will help me. And let's go and open the light. So you can see he will apply brake first, and yeah, see the headlight is on, so only one light is on, other one is still not on. Apply brake. So after applying brake, this light is working. Yeah, with the brake it's working, but with the headlight it's not working, so I need to replace the bulb. Yeah. So switch off the light. So to replace this is quite simple steps. First of all, you need to open the bonnet, open the trunk. Sorry, not the bonnet. So the trunk is open. Now you need to access this nut screw. So, and better to remove this to avoid any hurdle. Yeah. So you just need a plus screwdriver. Yeah, to open this up. Yeah. So once it's done, you also need to remove this cover, and you have to actually remove whole cover from there. It's quite easy to pull up. Yeah, like that. You can just pull up whole cover. Also make sure you remove from the body. So just pull up this, whole cover will come out. So you just don't need to remove everything if you really need to, and you can easily access at the back of the light. I can try to show you. So the light is here. First of all, you need to, I'm not sure you can see through. Yeah, this is light. The first one, the blue one, is a light, but you need to remove the whole light actually to replace this. So just press small holder, this one near to my thumb, press it and release the light. Just plug it out, it will come off easily. Yeah, it's gone. Now you need, this is nut over there, you just need to remove the whole light with the nut. Yeah, this one. You might need a spanner, I'll use it. So I just removed this nut from the back. Now the light is easy to remove, freely remove, can be removed. Yeah. So here. Yeah. So light, you just pull a little bit and will come out. Make sure before you remove the lights, both bulbs connectors are off, otherwise it will not come out. So let's, yeah, pull a little bit, and yeah, yes. Now the light is out. Yes. So light is out now. Just need to remove this bulb. and replace with the new one. The bulb will come out from the holder. Just pull it, it will be out. Now attach the new bulb again in the socket. Okay, if you turn around, no problem, because the connector having different lines, and inside also different lines are there, so other side should be alright. Again, we come from here for the people. So these connectors, you need to put it back. White connector will be extreme left. It's an indicator connector. Just push it. Done. Headlight one also. Just put back the nut. Before you close, just make sure it is working, light is working. And you can go and switch on the headlight.
Yes.
Pause the video. And the light is working. When can you apply brake? Cool. So light is working. Now we will reassemble everything. And yeah, cool. Switch off. So already I fixed it. Just make sure this nut is very this one is very tight, otherwise the water might go in, and seal is connected with this nut. So just make sure it's tight. Now we will close this up. So it's quite simple. Just make sure all the points are going back to their places. Yeah, their places, and yeah, should be all good now. So yep, these cool. Done. Thank you for watching. Ram, say bye to them.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.